Hello everyone. So today's DIY is about creating a spelling kind of activity for my preschooler. So it's still early for her. She is still working on CVC words, but this is something I was looking for a very long time to make. And this is I had seen a version in cutting a notebook into different pieces, but somehow I did not find it very interesting, in the sense that I knew that my child will not like that plain kind of concept. So when I had this calendar, that's a desktop calendar you get, right? Which stands like this, like that. It stands. It's my husband's office calendar for the last year, and I had kept it that I'll make something like that for her. And so this is what finally I came up with. So this is like the first page, which I did not use. So like this one, so what I did, so like this, you have the calendar pages, right? So I use the white pages, you get so many letters, right, which are of no use, some bank letters or some advertisements we get a lot of there in Singapore. So you can see some things written at the back. So I use that based paper, and then I use some dot stickers to make it colorful, and I use some stickers here, whatever I had, whichever words I wanted to teach her. And one reason I use the dot stickers is that it can be reused. These stickers can be removed easily, and there is not very big stickers, and then I can put another dot sticker and write a new word there. So that's the reason I have used these dot stickers. And I'll tell you how it works. So like this, first a child will select spelling he wants to make. So like, it has some CVC words which she already knows. It has some complex words which I am trying to introduce in this one. So like, this is a peg. So like, first she knows the first sound is per. So per, and then this was e, anger, he make peg. Okay, now let's choose some other word. What do you want to make? Let's make a bus, or let's make fish. Okay, so where is fur? So probably fur can be in the beginning. So I have intentionally tried to not put the in sequence, so that she has to flip through it. Kids are very smart at this age. So fee, and she knows that SNH mixture. So that's what these words she knows. So then she had to search. So you'll see some are blank, some because I kept scope for new ones. So here she has to find her. Okay, so now this one makes fish. So like that, you can make this with the word you want to make. So basically spelling this one, and I made it yesterday night, and while I was making, she was very interested. She did 4 or 5 just to see that she knows it, and just to explore it. So I'll introduce into some workbox probably in coming time, but I just thought to share it with you before we go ahead. So yes, what I did was took one sheet, stick it with a glue stick, and then cut it into 4 pieces, because I was trying to keeping it minimal. I mean, like, she's not into 4 letters completely, but she knows like fee, she knows, or blends basically, she knows some digraphs she knows. So that's why I kept it 3 as a words, and 1 as a sticker, and different dot stickers, so that she knows that she has chosen this one, yellow one. Now she choose someone in the green line, someone in the pink line, and there are I think 24 or no, 26. There's more pages, so there's someone working at the back also. Okay, so like this. So this is the feet, so she has to, so some dot stickers are left blank because the words are repeating, so I did not want to waste a dot sticker like that. Anyway, she has to flip through and find the fur everywhere, so she will figure it out. So this is for star, and this for sheep, this is for 3, this is for bench, and this is empty. I'm just giving an idea what all words I made. So this is empty. I think this is for hat. This is empty, empty. Feet I missed somewhere. So that's how you can do it, and then it's very easy to store, just like that, and we're done with it. So you can do with a notebook also. Take a notebook and cut it, but then it cannot stand vertically as I wanted to, and I want to make it colorful and interesting for them, because calendar is something a desktop calendar is something new to them. It stands like this, so just thought it will attract them much more rather than a simple notebook activity. So hope you enjoyed the same, and give it a try. If any questions, please let me know. Bye bye.